Hello everybody, today I will show you how to customize Spotify on PC. Before I start, I would appreciate a like and a subscription. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to uninstall Spotify if you have installed it from the Microsoft Store, and install it from the official Spotify website. Once installed, you log in. Now go to Google and search for Spicetify. Click on Install Now. Here, you will have to follow the steps depending on the operating system you have. In my case, I have Windows, so I will follow these steps. But on Mac, it is practically the same, but following these steps. Well, in Windows, we will simply open the terminal and run it as administrator. Now, copy the first command. Paste it, enter. If you get this message, type N and then enter. Here also N. Now we will copy the second command. Paste it and enter, and wait. Okay, I got cut off here, but after that, Spotify will open automatically and you will get this new option called Marketplace. If you click on it, you will have a catalog to modify Spotify, from extensions to themes for the experience and more. Simply configure it to your liking. If you found the video helpful, give me a shout out in the comments and also drop a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.